I'm ugly, but I know any boy can go in this jazz there.
Jamaican men seize every opportunity for look woman.
For you look me, there's no something I think I'm a plural. I mean, my belly come in a relationship, and it's what we always feel for something nice.
If the boy not spend pay, you need to run that because there is no such thing as a mean man. It's either the boy don't want you or the boy don't have it. And even the boy don't have it, him still can give you a little bit.
And you see you get the shit together and end up on a level. You see if somebody can't really match but that level they are top it, it's just, it feels like you're downgraded.
I wanna lay down with people where I can't do nothing for no, where I can't help them be better in life. Make it make sense.
I get man for them money, them pockets and what them can do for me.
There's man out there who will actually treat on a good, but you not gonna find them if you keep on a second for less.
I'm a single man out there. So I want a woman to take care of. I'm not sending in an application.
We tend to define a good man by how much he can provide and where him dressing and where him drive. But let me tell you, good man.
Free career because you can't go supermarket.
If them not run you down, and the next girl not run you down, and the next girl not run you down, then I want you.
I'm not gonna make nobody man come me out. When me find a man with me, my own man, my pum pum don't out, it can't go work.
Sometimes when you see a one boy you want to one boy just the boy.
You see if the boy can't me alone, but don't want him, it not go work.
Girl, I see a man, I'm say no, the boy is nice, I'm just take him. Cause you couldn't have him alone, you crazy girl. Or you have this a nice boy alone, you get it after sharing with me.
You don't want to share a man.
Anywhere we take it, when we start sharing man. When we start sharing man. I say the man them out there today, I try to sell with dreams. Them out there when we tell me anything you want to hear, just take that opportunity to come in my life and publicity.
These men will waste your goddamn time.
Some man thinks they become single, they just feel like them can automatically get me. No sir, I'm single by choice.
When I deal with a man, I go to melt. I can't ever single. I can't ever be by myself. I can't enjoy my own company.
The woman them will beat the next woman because she take your man. What you do to the man? You go and go bust the man ass too?
I feel the side man bun more because like why would I give me bun when I already give bun with you?
When you are a side chick, when you text the man phone, one time wait for him to reply, do not call down the man phone. When you're a side chick, when you get the little time, you take it like when the man him girlfriend and nothing, or when him girlfriend period come, yes, that is what you sign up.
Right now, me and Ines are lick me from left to right. And I have to wait my turn. The struggle of a side chick.
Remember when man used to take me for idiot, but no!
You go take up a man with having woman. And you make the man with having woman tell you say you no fit have no other man. Are you really listen to him? You really not have no other man for you? What can go so?
Yeah, my journey a lot of times is necessary.
Why me for have one man? And one man for night.
She's a
It's one of two things. You gonna lift the boy? I gonna give back the boy bun.
She's a hoe.
Somebody give you a bun, you give them back bun.
She's a hoe.
Anything you do back on my back, may I beat back on your back. Back, say back.
I was really empowered when, for the first time, I give bun. I'm not lie.
Make sure you say man, you have on the side better than your man over yourself.
The world have to come to an end, everything have to halt, everything have to pause when man get bun. But when woman get bun, that's a regular day.
And you take your woman virginity?
You know how much your woman get before you know.
Fucking girl, like, I'm your fucking girl, that is embarrassing.
Boom boom cutting at two. Half of your next one and half you enjoy your time because it's so expire.
Some reason him and the woman left, maybe because of me. Me did a side chick, me stay in my side chick position. I don't want you upgrade me.
It's like from you utter the words into the universe, my man would never. It's like one switch just go off in your man brain. And then you just start never, like he never had before. Me not understanding.
Wife have to stand up and stress over stove so you can yam. Side chick, you provide ready meal for her.
There's no way I will get married in this life.
Maybe turning into a woman is not that bad. Maybe not that bad. Like at this point, me not think it that bad. You don't look that bad. Because
You can't brag for them boy, yeah. They cannot. The best advice me I tell on say, you meet a little man, just keep it to yourself.
The man out here, like me really can't stand on him. Like me can't stand on him.
Is that how you guys choose to approach people? Like my friend. Where you go like what kind of style that?
Every girl out here we keep girl.
So no know on the place not tan good. I wanna meet some woman not carry them go on the yard. Save the money and carry them go hotel, go them and send them home.
Now to cut myself and my young 20s go live with no man. But we come look for you and spend 4 or 5 days with live. No better. Unless we're married. I'm very judgy when it comes on to mouth. If your teeth and stay good in your head, they cannot be by man.